Hello, everyone. So today I'm going to explain the difference between the past simple and the past perfect. So first, I'm going to write the formation of the tense for each of these tenses. Okay, so you've got the past simple and then the past perfect. So for the past simple, as you know, we form the past simple tense by using the infinitive form, okay, the very infinitive, and then we add ed at the end. This is for regular verbs, right? And then obviously for a regular past simple tenses, for a regular past simple verbs, then we need to learn by heart each of the forms. So for example, see becomes saw, think becomes thought, and so on. Then for the past perfects, we need to use have in the past, meaning had. Then the participle. So for example, I had done, I had been. Yeah. Okay, so it's more regular than the past simple forms. Okay, so what do we use the past simple for? So we use it for actions, finished actions. This is very important. Finished actions or completed actions in the past. So last weekend, I went to my mother's. So this is an action which is already finished, which is no longer ongoing, and it is in the past. Then for the past perfects, and this is very important, we use it for finished actions before a past simple action. So what do we mean by before a past simple action? With before, I am referring to the chronological order, meaning that it is prior to that past simple action. And let's imagine we've got a timeline. So this here would be the present. So here would be the present. I'm going to write P. And so here we will be having an event occurring in the past. Let's say 2 days ago. It could be a specific date, or it could be unknown. The important thing is that it happened in the past. Right, so then here we will be finding our past perfect action. It is important that you appreciate there is a slight distance between the past simple action and the past perfect action, because if we've got two past actions really close to each other, then we have to use both the past simple. We have to use the past simple in both. Okay, so for example, I ran over my cat and I tripped over. Yeah, for example. Or I closed the door. I closed the door and my mom walked in. I closed the door and my mom walked in. Meaning that these two actions, there is like a 10-second time lapse between both actions. So let's focus on this one. This would be the past perfect action. And this will be the past simple action. And I'm going to give you an example which is very clear. So when the robbers had escaped, when the police arrived, the robbers had escaped. So obviously, the first action, chronologically speaking, would be the robbers had escaped. The robbers escaped. And then the second action, chronologically speaking, would be the police arriving. So the police arrives would be the one coming after the past perfect action. So I hope this helped you to better understand the difference between the past simple and the past perfect.